Glass, a gift from nature, a material that we have cherished through the ages, and now a material we need more than ever. What other material can help us stay healthy, in comfort, innovate, and develop our economy in a sustainable way without ever creating waste? An apparently simple outcome of melting sand, soda ash, and limestone, glass is a material whose complexity and diversity continues to fascinate and shape our climate-neutral future.
What you see here is a packaging that's infinitely recyclable. It can be recycled over and over again without any loss of its properties. Glass makes what's inside taste great and look really good. It preserves food to ensure that nothing goes to waste. Every recycling loop reduces the amount of raw materials used and the energy needed for production.
Tableware passed down the ages, and it is used and reused as many times as you need it. The reason for this is that it's a perfect barrier. It does not interact with anything inside and stays intact over time. So you can use glass to store your food for later, or to get a taste now. And each product can be a true masterpiece.
Glass is transparency. It is light, and it is our connection to the world. Every day, glass discreetly provides us all comfort, well-being, safety, and security. It makes buildings more sustainable by cutting their energy use and harvesting solar power. And I guess you've all used a touchscreen recently. Well, that's glass as well, making our life easier and more connected every day.
Touchscreen, Gorilla screens, induction plates, they were invented not so long ago, and yet they seem so familiar now. The glass industry is constantly developing new products, answering the needs of society, like making millions of innovative vials for vaccines, or producing optical fiber, boosting the digitalization of our economies.
Do you think glass is fragile? What if I tell you that glass fibers can be 3 times stronger than steel? They are used to manufacture plastic parts with higher resistance. Glass fiber reinforced parts make cars lighter to reduce their consumption. And for electric cars, they increase their mileage. It is also glass that enables wind turbines of this size to produce ever more efficient wind energy. Yes, glass is working behind the scenes.
Glass, the hidden gem of a carbon-neutral future.